The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
Here is one more business story from our partner company, GM Pharma, who has shown a high level of corporate responsibility during the pandemic and distributed medicine to help kids with high temperature at children's clinics free of charge.
Due to the complicated epidemiological situation caused by COVID-19 and other seasonal respiratory viral diseases, GM Pharma has decided to help those who need it the most. Therefore, the company provided humanitarian aid in the form of medicines to pediatric clinics throughout Georgia. Due to the epidemic situation in the country, the number of febrile respiratory diseases has increased, especially among children. It should be emphasized that, unfortunately, the disease is often accompanied by uncontrollable fever. Therefore, there is a shortage of certain medicines. We greatly appreciate the assistance provided by the company GM Pharma in the treatment of children. The company delivered a certain amount of antipyretic drug called Tycold, the main active ingredient of which is paracetamol, which has been a great help to our children patients. At this stage, GM Pharma has supplied pediatric hospitals in Tbilisi and the regions of Georgia with the required number of antipyretic drug called Tycold in various forms. I would like to thank GM Pharma for providing us with a large quantity of a paracetamol-containing drug called Tycold, which comes in two forms, suppositories in the form of candles and syrups. As you know, in the case of Omicron variant of COVID, as well as other respiratory diseases, sore throat, ear infection, or general discomfort is treated with first-line drugs. We're talking about a pain reliever drug that functions as an antipyretic drug and has a much faster effect than drops and sprays. GM Pharma is the largest pharmaceutical company in the South Caucasus region located in Tbilisi. This is where the latest technologies are used to produce a complete cycle of solid forms of medicines. GM Pharma exports more than 100 products to 10 countries around the world and has representative branches in 5 CIS countries.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.